Yo, I'm Ryan, and I have been hacking things my whole life. Today we're going to talk about printing lost parts, making money while 3D printing lost parts of Star Wars vehicles, specifically the Millennium Falcon. So I got this huge box in the mail. I will tell you that there's multiple versions of the Millennium Falcon out there. This is the 2008 Legacy. I picked this up for around $100, probably worth around $300. Now there's the 2004 Hasbro smaller Millennium Falcon, but that's about 2 feet wide. This is around 31 inches wide. Doesn't even fit in my camera. So let's go ahead and open it up. This guy packaged it up, gave me a really nice deal on the packaging. I'm probably going to cut myself with this packaging, but oh well. I'm sure this is loud in the microphone. Maybe I should speed this up. I don't know. It's kind of fun. Man, did this guy pack it. Oh my gosh. All right, so I gotta get this over with because you can't even hear me. So anyways, this thing's missing the landing gear, this Millennium Falcon. It's missing the landing gear. It's missing a couple of the satellites. So I'm gonna print those and list those on eBay for around $20 to $30. Okay, it takes a while to print stuff. The technology is not completely kicking ass. So, oops, I have to bleep that out. But it's not completely jamming right now. So, you know, it's kind of a part-time hobby thing, but you got to be ready for when it prints like maybe 3 times as higher. Faster. Oh, we're getting close. So first of all, it's looking big. I'm opening this up. You can start seeing it in there. Okay, there's one of the panels that came off, and I'm trying to see if this panel comes off, and I don't think it does, but it's got these really cool, inside the carbon, but I think the satellite is in there. Yeah, the satellite's in there, but oh, here, this comes off. Here is the satellite. That prints for around $20 plus shipping, this little satellite right here. That's cool, huh? All right, so I'm gonna put that back. Okay, so the two things that I'm going to do, if you are subscribed to this channel, I am going to model the canopy, and you can download the digital file once I get that done. The canopy is going right there. It looks like and I'm going to model the satellites. So, whoa, there's like a lot of other parts in there. Oh, that's the shuttle. That's the shuttle that comes down. It goes. The shuttle that comes down. All right, so it seems like a lot of the pieces are intact in this. Remember, this is the 2008 Millennium Edition, and it's got a lot of the parts. It's looking pretty good. I'm not happy with this though. Whatever this thing right here, it's kind of pushed down. I don't think I need to model it. No. There we go. It's now pushed up. Looks like it happened in packaging. Okay, so far I'm pretty pleased with this model for $100. So it'll be interesting to do the 3D printing of these things here. But and then I also plan to do the 2004 smaller Hasbro This is the Legacy edition. This is the Legacy. But I'm going to do the Hasbro, the smaller one. This is a big boy. And there it is, the Millennium Falcon 2008 Legacy edition. And I am going to be printing I'm going to be getting the electronics to work. I'm going to be doing the artillery down below, the gun down below, and then the landing gear, and then the ramp that comes out here. So, and then hopefully I'll be able to get, who drove this thing, flew this, Han Solo, Chewbacca, get all those characters going. But there it is, the 2008 Millennium Edition, and I'm going to 3D print the satellite. I'm going to print the landing gear, the runway, and then I am going to print the gun, the Gatling gun that goes down below. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We have lots of great Fusion 360 tutorials coming up on printing all of these parts, modeling them and printing them, and so you can make a little bit of extra cash in your side hustle. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't, liked, love, hit the bell. That's sort of ridiculous, but have a great day, guys. And whatever you do, make something that connects you with someone else. Yeah, that's it. See you later.